So guys, makisali tayo sa issue ni Alvin Aragon. Anong masasabi niyo dun, guys? Diyos ko, thankful talaga ako yung parents ko. Ever since they accepted me 100%. Never silang nag-question sa personality ko. Never nilang diniscriminate yung gender identity ko. Ever since I was 5 years old, alam na nila na magiging beauty queen ako in the future. But they really supported me and I'm so thankful to them, to my parents. 'Di ba?